Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 350 lb treadmill is probably one of the most important investments you will make for your health and fitness journey, so choosing the right one is crucial. This video will guide you through the key features and considerations to help you find the perfect heavy-duty treadmill that meets your needs and ensures a safe and effective workout experience, no matter your size or fitness goals. We will explore the top models on the market, comparing their performance, durability, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. SereneLife Electric Folding Treadmill. It's the perfect solution for a home workout, no matter the space. Its compact design makes it easy to store away when not in use. This treadmill boasts a sleek design and fits easily into smaller spaces. Enjoy a convenient and efficient workout routine. It features a user-friendly LCD display showing your speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate. Track your progress easily with the touch button controls. Connect it to the FitShow app via Bluetooth to track your workouts, share your progress, and challenge friends. It's compatible with both Android and iOS devices. Adjust the incline to 4 different levels to challenge yourself. It also includes a safety key for an emergency power off. It has a built-in tray for your book or magazine and a cup holder, adding to your comfort during your workout. Enjoy a personalized fitness experience. It measures 50L x 24W x 49.2H inches unfolded and 25.2L x 24W x 49.2H inches folded. It supports users up to 220 pounds and has a speed range of 0.6 to 6.0 miles per hour. What we like. It's small and easy to store, perfect for apartments. It connects to fitness apps for tracking your progress. If you value space-saving design and app integration, this is the one for you. What people say. I'm really impressed with how easy this treadmill was to assemble. I'm not a tech-savvy person, but I was able to assemble it within 30 minutes. It folds up and down like a dream. It's quite small when folded and easy to move around. It has wheels. Assembly was not too difficult, it took roughly 30 minutes to have everything up and running. Number 4. XTERRA Sport Folding Treadmill. Experience the ultimate home workout with this premium folding treadmill. It combines powerful performance with convenient space-saving design. It features a high-torque 3.0 HP motor for a smooth and powerful run, no matter your fitness level. Enjoy a consistent and reliable workout experience. The bright backlit LCD display keeps you informed. It clearly shows all your workout stats, including speed, distance, and calories burned. With 30 preset programs and custom options, it keeps your workouts fresh and engaging. Find the perfect program to match your fitness goals. Adjust speed and incline effortlessly with the handlebar controls. Make changes on the fly without interrupting your workout flow. It seamlessly connects to popular fitness apps via Bluetooth. Expand your workout options and track your progress easily. The extra cushioned deck provides superior comfort and joint protection. Run longer and harder without the impact. What we like. This treadmill has a high-torque motor for smooth operation. It offers a wide variety of workout programs to keep you motivated. If you need a powerful and versatile machine with lots of options, this is a great choice. What people say. Excellent treadmill, not quite commercial gym quality but solidly built with sweet blue LCD screen and Bluetooth FTMS that works great with Swift and Kinemap. The machine has the minimum tools required to assemble it, all the parts were there and in good condition. The machine was undamaged, the packaging is excellent and protected the unit very well. The actual assembly was very easy, the assembly instructions were clear and correct. The display is easy to see, and the layout is user-friendly. It is smooth, stable, quiet, durable, and we really like it. Number 3. 3G Cardio Pro Runner X. Experience the ultimate home workout with the 3G Cardio Pro Runner X treadmill. It's built with heavy-duty construction for lasting performance and features a low step-up height for easy access. This treadmill is built to last. Its robust frame provides stability and support, even during high-intensity workouts. Enjoy a superior workout experience with commercial-level quality. It folds compactly for easy storage, perfect for smaller spaces. Despite its compact design, it doesn't compromise on performance or comfort. The OrthoFlex suspension system minimizes impact, while the extra-long running belt provides ample space for a comfortable run. It's ideal for all fitness levels. With a powerful 3.0 HP motor, it accelerates quickly to 12 miles per hour. It also offers a variety of built-in programs, incline levels, and heart rate monitoring to help you reach your fitness goals. Enjoy your favorite music or stream your favorite shows while you work out. It seamlessly integrates with your devices for a personalized fitness experience. No membership required. We stand behind our product with an unmatched lifetime frame warranty, 5-year parts warranty, and 1-year in-home labor warranty. Our customer service team is always ready to assist you. What we like. It's built to last and can handle heavier users. It connects to fitness apps for a more comprehensive workout experience. If you need a robust and durable treadmill with high weight capacity, this is perfect for you. What people say. The treadmill arrived at 4 p.m. on the earlier end of the delivery window, and despite a puncture hole in the package, there was no damage to the treadmill whatsoever. It feels really sturdy and, even at higher speeds, it runs very quietly. Incline can adjust up to 15%, by increments of 1%. Speed can adjust up to 12 miles per hour, by increments of 0.1 miles per hour. I really appreciate how quickly the speed adjusts. Number 2. Lifepro Foldable Treadmill. It's designed for smaller spaces, perfect for apartments and homes where space is limited. Its foldable design makes storage a breeze. This small treadmill folds up easily for convenient storage. It's ideal for users up to 5 feet 4 inches tall. Stay entertained during your workout. It has a large, clear LED screen and a device holder for your phone or tablet. Monitor your heart rate easily with the built-in pulse sensors located conveniently on the handles. We're committed to your satisfaction. Enjoy 24/7 customer service and a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. With 12 HIIT programs, 3 incline levels, and speeds from 0.6 to 6 miles per hour, it offers a variety of workout options. It supports users up to 240 pounds. It adapts to your lifestyle and fitness goals. Experience the best in foldable treadmill technology for an unparalleled running experience. What we like. It's designed for smaller spaces and offers incline levels for a more challenging workout. It also comes with a lifetime warranty. If you're looking for a compact treadmill with a great warranty, this is a solid option. What people say. Easy to use and operate. It was easy to put together and performs well. I love the digital display. The setup was so easy. It barely takes up any space. I am 5 feet 4 inches and it fits my endurance stride perfectly. Number 1. SereneLife Folding Treadmill. It features a hydraulic folding system, making storage a breeze. Folded, it's incredibly compact, perfect for small spaces. Plus, it's easy to set up and use. Choose from 12 preset training modes to get started, or create a completely custom workout. It's simple to adjust settings to match your fitness level and goals. The LCD display tracks your speed, time, distance, heart rate, and calories burned. You'll always know exactly how hard you're working and how far you've come. With a spacious running belt, you'll have plenty of room to walk or run comfortably. The 4-level adjustable incline lets you customize the intensity of your workout. Enjoy your favorite music wirelessly or sync with your fitness apps. It keeps your workouts fun and engaging. What we like. This treadmill is compact and easy to store, ideal for smaller homes. It offers a variety of preset workout programs to help you reach your fitness goals. If you want a convenient and versatile machine with preset programs and connectivity, this is a great choice. What people say. I'm really impressed with how easy this treadmill was to assemble. I'm not a tech-savvy person, but I was able to assemble it within 30 minutes. It folds up and down like a dream. It's quite small when folded and easy to move around. It has wheels. Assembly was not too difficult, it took roughly 30 minutes to have everything up and running. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.